Hello and welcome to Hornbill TV. मैं अपना host Akivito. इतु साल 2021 दिमापुर लगा overall law and order situation, crimes report और public advisories दिवोनी में दे आजी Commissioner of Police दिमापुर बा annual press conference लुइसे Commissioner Office Chamber दे दिमापुर Police कुइसे इतु साल दिमापुर दे law and order situation तो peaceful और under control दे ऐसे कुइसे और extortion cases तो नमी से कुइसे district action plan implement कुरिया पिच दे IB detailed press conference law सबो reporter अदोना लो दे
Law and order situation in Dimapur for the last 12 months has been peaceful and under control. Under the Dimapur Action Plan, the Dimapur Police is putting extra enforcement to control the extortion and illegal taxation activities. During the last 4 months, extortion cases have come down since the implementations of the Dimapur action plans. Traffic police are doing extra enforcement to prevent accidents, especially in the highway. And we are happy to announce that there was no casualty or major accidents in the highway for the last 4 months. I want to give some advisories in the interest of the public safety and the traffic convenience. Road traffic regulation enforcement will continue as it is, though it is a little inconvenient for the public. Special arms deployment as per the district action plan to counter these illegal taxations or extortion cases, etc. Escort for the public transport will continue. So we'll continue to do all this district action plan. And we want also to request the public that any problem and any issue during the holidays or this festive season, public are requested to contact the police station in case of any emergency, or if it, for immediate or any emergency situations, you can also contact a helpline like number 100 and a mobile number 70850-55050. This is our control room and it is available for 24 hours.
Basically, in this year, we have total number of cases, FIRs registered are 738. Out of that, Indian Penal Code IPC related crimes are 581 and special and local laws are 157. So basically 78.72% of the crime are IPC related crimes and 21.27% crimes are related to special and local laws. The highest number of cases are for theft, which accounts for 37.94%, that is almost 38%. The second number of cases is extortion, which accounts for 13.27%. Third is Arms Act, which accounts for 7.85% of crime. Fourth is NDPS Act, which is 5.14% of the total crime, and which we have seen a rapid rise in this particular year, especially NDPS Act. And fifth is kidnapping and abduction, that accounts for 4.87% of the total cases.